No.
Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel and to another moment of elegance, inspiration and connection. It means so much to me that you've taken out time of your day to spend it with me right here. You know, as we step into 2025, what's one area of your life that you're excited to elevate? For me, it's all about style and confidence, starting with these timeless pieces I'm about to unbox for you here. One thing that I noticed, you guys inspire me to keep exploring new ways to live life beautifully and authentically. I love reading your comments and ideas. They really truly make me feel like this space is a little family of ours. What do you think we should call this space of ours? Because this year we are starting off with a good kick. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, because this year we are going to go on a journey of elegance and self-expression together. Today I will be unboxing 3 stunning watches from Pascal, and I can't wait to show you. Yes, I have 2 boxes here, but there are 3 pieces of beautiful jewelry in here, and stay tuned until the end for a little surprise. You don't want to miss it at all. I mean it, you don't want to miss it. You know what, this year I'm focusing on growth, elegance and elevating my personal style, and today I'm so excited to share one of my first steps of that journey with you. I am super excited for 2025. Happy New Year 2025. If you're new here again, welcome to the family. My name is Kiki, a lifestyle vlogger sharing all things style, beauty and inspiration to make your life beautiful and a little bit more chic and fabulous, okay? Now, let's talk about how I'm going to upgrade my jewelry this year with Pascal pieces. I have watches here from Pascal that I'm super excited to open them with you. I know these are timeless pieces that are going to perfectly blend into elegance and functionality, and I'll be showing you the designs that I chose for myself, because today is that day. Today is that happy 2025 with great pieces from them. So you know what, I'll show you the must-haves for 2025. I am also very happy to let you know that I have my code so that you guys can be able to get a discount. Don't forget to use Chinese Kiki 15. Let me check if that's what it is. Yes, Chinese Kiki 15. Kiki 15, and you can be able to get yourself a discount, and I hope you guys will enjoy shopping from there, because I surely did when I was choosing the pieces that I would love, because everything I was checking out was just too good and too beautiful. Anyways, let's jump into why I've chosen to upgrade my jewelry game. So let's start by unboxing it right away. This year, elegance meets time is one of life's greatest luxuries, and this year I've decided to elevate how I wear it. Today I'm unboxing 3 stunning timepieces from Pascal, each one a story of elegance. Let's dive in. Look at how classy this is. I love green so much, and this screams luxury. I don't know how I can be able to explain it, because even the box itself on the outside is just so beautiful and well done. It has such a good weight to it, which is also very important. Anyway, I'm going to show you what I chose. So this watch, yes, oh my god, this is the one, this is the one, this is the one. So this one is the oval bubble diamond in lush green finish. What I love about this piece is how it combines vintage charm with modern elegance. The oval shaped dial is adorned with delicate diamond markers, giving it that extra sparkle without being over the top. And the green leather strap, it's bold, unique and perfect. Who wants something that looks like this? Everybody does. I do. I think this is super elegant, screams a lot luxury. And the green leather strap. It's bold, unique, and perfect for someone who wants to stand out.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego,
Personally, this watch would be my pick for brunch with the girls or a garden party, spring, summer, autumn, winter as well, all weather season. I would pair it with soft neutrals or a flowy white dress just to let the green pop. I would also mix and match with colors, because also people of color, we just look good with colors all around. I mean, who doesn't want some green light all over their face? Who doesn't want that? Come on, come on, come on. Guys, what do you think of color? Are you a fan of bold accessories like this, or do you prefer more like neutral tones? Let me know down in the comments below if green is actually your favorite color. Let's jump into our watch number 2.
left you thinking that maybe you're not different.
Oh my god, this one. This is Timeless Classic Diamond watch in cocoa. So I love the cocoa color. It's a little bit like brown, but a different type of brown. Like in person, you'll be able to see it.
There's some stains on your photo. They all cracks on your rusty frame. Stuck in the mud, but it's okay. I don't have the pieces of you.
You can see the tone dial, the diamonds around the bezel, and the silver strap, which is super amazing. And I just love how the watch bounces off on the diamonds. Amazing, absolutely beautiful. It's sophistication at its best. The warm cocoa tone dial is so rich and inviting, and the 31mm face feels perfectly balanced, elegant, but not too oversized, because I also don't like really big or super oversized watches. I'm also petite, so you know what I mean. So I feel like it just fits so perfect, and the diamond studded bezel adds just the right amount of luxury, making it versatile for both day and evening wear. How would I pair this watch? I would absolutely wear it with something like a blazer or office looking type of outfits, so that to add that business type of look. But I would also wear it as an outfit. I would also pair it with outfits that are also not super business like as well, if you want to play around with it. I think it's also like, it would be your favorite piece of fall, or if you love like neutral colors, you'd absolutely fall in love with this watch. So yes, you definitely wear it to like a business meeting or just a dinner date. It's bold yet understated, and perfect for making quite a statement. If you had this watch, where would you wear it? Let me know down in the comments below before we jump into the watch number 3. Cutie. Last but not least, we have this watch over here. So this is timeless classic diamond watch in silver. Wow, absolutely amazing. I'll show you like close up of it so you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's super gorgeous. It's such a gorgeous watch. I love the sleek silver strap and minimalistic diamond studded design on it. Super classy. Also, I love the mirrored surface of the watch. It reflects just so beautiful. I also love just the name here, the detail Pascal here. The name is also so classy. Don't lie, it's so classy. I love that. It also comes with identification on it. It also comes with this for adjusting. You have this for adjusting your watches in case they're big. For me, I think I'll have to do that because they're a little bit big on my wrist, but regardless, we'll be able to wear it. And it also shows you how you can maintain your watch and everything. Anyway, let's go back to the watch before we go into the nitty-gritty part of it. So this silver Serenade, a true classic. This watch is timeless and it's so refined also and effortlessly chic. So the cool silver dial is paired with sparkling diamond markers, making it a piece that works for every occasion. It's understated yet eye-catching, a piece you'll definitely keep reaching for no matter the event. Picture this on like my to go to formal events. Picture it with like other different places that I would want to wear it. Like I have so many ideas in my head, I don't even know where to start with, but I think this is something that will be like an absolutely daily wear for me. Just that piece that you'll keep reaching for no matter the event where you want to wear it. So I think, yeah, just like I said, I would just picture it like with a black gown, a sleek band, and a minimal accessories to pair with it, and just something for like a beautiful daily wear with simple finishing touches.
Without any warning, we're sucking up the oxygen. The room is getting smaller. We always have it coming, like animals who like to bite, tasting our disaster.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind.
So which of these three pieces do you love the most or fits your style the most? Is it the bold green, the warm cocoa, or is it the classic silver? Let me know down in the comments below. Engage with me. Let me know what's your favorite piece.
Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.
Each of these Pascal watches tells a different story, one of bold individuality, quiet strength, and timeless elegance. Whether you're dressing up for an event or simply you're just elevating your everyday look, Pascal pieces are there to fit or suit your lifestyle as you please.
My triggers, losing my pride, but I guess that's what love do to people like us, struggling to come through. We had a fire, now we watch it burn out.
Loves, I know, watches are more than accessories. They're reflections of who we are. Which of 3 pieces resonates with your style? Let me know in the comments down below, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and don't forget to also subscribe for more lifestyle inspiration, and also don't forget to use my code ChineseKiki15 to get yourself a discount. Again, thank you so much for staying with me up to this point. I truly appreciate it, and I hope to see you on the next one.
Surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do.